Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Henry County in north-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jonesboro, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McDonough, Jonesboro, Stockbridge, Forest Park, Riverdale, Hampton, Morrow, Lovejoy, Lake City, Lakesville, Blacksville, Rex, Ellenwood, Fort Gillum, Bonanza, Luella, Atlanta Motor Speedway, Flippin, Eagles Landing, and Irondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4446 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Freaky stuff.